Hank here from Kegworks. Derby Day is fast approaching, so today we're going to show you how to make a mint julep. Now this doesn't mean you have to be wearing a fancy hat to enjoy this drink. The julep is a cold, refreshing cocktail that can be enjoyed year-round. Start by preparing some crushed ice with a Lewis bag. Add a ½ ounce of simple syrup to a julep cup. Now add 6 to 8 mint leaves. Gently muddle the mint and simple syrup. Next, add 3 ounces of bourbon. Add about a cup of ice, then stir for 15 to 20 seconds or until the cup just starts to frost. Top with enough ice to form a dome on the cup. Now take a large bouquet of mint sprigs and gently clap them in your hands to open up the aromas. Then add the bouquet of mint to the cup. Finally, insert a straw directly beside the mint so that you get a burst of mint aroma with each sip. Check out kegworks.com to shop our selection of cocktail ingredients, drinkware, bar tools, and more. Cheers!